Hi guys, my name is Elaine Power here at the Starr Wellness Group, and today I am joined by Laura, one of our fabulous clinicians. And we are going to be talking about what does EMDR actually feel like. Laura's joining me because she also does EMDR. And so we asked several of our actual clients what it feels like, and these are some of their responses.
It's a wedge opening up my soul. That's the best way I can describe it. Another way, it makes the truest intentions come to light, and for your therapist too.
Thank you, Laura. Okay. And another one from another client. What does EMDR feel like? Scary. While doing it, it feels very emotional. It fucking sucks. But it's good. It's mentally and emotionally draining. Like you almost don't even want to do it, but you kind of have to. Dude. And Laura, what else do you have?
Well, this person went on to speak about it feels intense, it feels heavy, but also releasing. I really didn't think that it was going to do anything, but it allows you to process things in a totally different way that you'd never think you would. It was emotional. It was also a relief. A little scary because emotions would come up you don't expect. Like, whoa, I didn't think it was going to affect me like that. I would recommend it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And one more. What does EMDR feel like? It feels like you're dipping into things you wouldn't normally. It's like you're getting past the barrier you've built as a defense mechanism. Being able to kind of understand more about your deeper emotions. I didn't think it was going to do any good, but it was actually helpful. It's kind of magic. Like pulling a rabbit out of a hat. It's like pulling emotions out of your consciousness.
Ooh, I like that.
Ooh, yeah. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. If you've ever wondered, what does EMDR actually feel like? Now you know. Thanks, and call us if you have any questions.